In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert small balances using Binance's small amount exchange. If you've got tiny leftover amounts from past trades cluttering your wallet, this walkthrough will help you bundle them together and convert them in just a few taps. These small balances, sometimes called dust, can't usually be traded on their own, but Binance provides a quick way to tidy them up. First, open the Binance app on your device. Make sure you're using the official app and that it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. A stable internet connection will help everything load quickly. On the home screen, look along the bottom navigation bar and tap Assets. This takes you into your wallet area where you can see an overview of what you hold. From here, tap Spot. The Spot wallet is where your regular trading balances live, and it's the place where eligible small amounts will appear for conversion. Inside the Spot wallet, look for the option labeled Small Amount Exchange. Depending on your layout, you might find it near the top or within the wallet tools. This feature gathers small, otherwise unusable balances into a single place so you can convert them efficiently. Once you're in the small amount exchange section, you'll see a list of assets that qualify. Not every coin will be eligible at all times. The list shows only those that meet Binance's criteria for this feature. Review the list and then select the assets you want to include by tapping the checkbox beside each one. You can choose a single asset or multiple at once. If there's anything you want to keep as is, simply leave it unchecked. Take a moment to confirm you're only selecting the balances you actually want to convert. When you're ready, tap Convert. You'll see a summary of what's about to happen, including the total value of the small balances you selected and the asset you'll receive in return. Conversion rates can change with the market, so if you pause too long, you may need to refresh before confirming. The process usually completes quickly, and the resulting amount will appear in your Spot wallet under the target asset. That's all it takes. By regularly converting small balances, you keep your wallet organized and consolidate value that might otherwise sit idle. If something doesn't show up as eligible, check back later, as availability can vary. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined Spot wallet with small amount exchange.